Now this is the place that I like to catch Pokemon. Day 2 here in Vancouver. We gotta leave this place. This condo was like a 2-night thing. It was like they didn't have any more reservations for the rest of the weekend, so we gotta change it up and go to a different hotel. Okay, so just to give you guys a little update, mom and sister headed down to get some food and everything like that. I'm still trying to finish up today's vlog. I got room service breakfast. So the video is rendering now. We got the rendering vlog. Family's back. We've all eaten. We're pretty much just waiting for this to finish. My family's being very patient. There you go. That's the word. Thank you very much. With the render and everything else like that. But once that's done, then we're going to go. What are we doing today? We're going to do some stuff today? What are we doing? Apparently that was it. So Gastown was fun, but we're going to the aquarium now at Stanley Park because it closes at 5. Whoa, that was close. So, Vancouver Aquarium, 10 out of 10. Lots of fun, cool stuff. We're about to see a whale show with beluga whales out here. They're gonna be hopefully jumping and jiving and doing stuff. That is the 5th or 6th person now who has approached me about filming in this aquarium. I think I should leave. So despite some of those issues with filming and everything like that and security, Vancouver Aquarium was a lot of fun.
I loved it. Should I go?
What did you think of the Vancouver Aquarium?
I loved the aquarium. I enjoyed our time there. What I didn't like was the 3 times that security came to visit just because you were recording.
You only saw 3 times. It happened to me 6 times.
Exactly. And it's no different than if I stood there with my cell phone and was recording, but my cell phone doesn't intimidate people.
It's true.
I know. But other than that, it was a great experience.
All right. Let me catch you up. I got some pizza. It was shitty. Washing it down with a Pepsi, that's not bad. However, I am late to the fireworks. I ran out of card space, I ran out of batteries, I ran out of a lot of stuff, so I had to come back to the hotel. Ooh, pretty. So now I've got to get all the way to the train, take the train all the way to like the other side of Vancouver, and then walk or run like 30 minutes to see the fireworks. Further complicating this whole scenario is the fact that I have very little camera resources. I've got plenty of SD card space. My batteries are very low. So this is gonna have to be a really quick cut to after the train ride. Okay, I'm late. 10 minutes till the fireworks. Roads are all shut down. People everywhere. Everybody's late to the fireworks.
Yeah.
This guy's in the vlog.
Buddy.
I gotta run. Whew. I am not Casey Neistat. I do not jog every day. 9:53. I just heard test fireworks go off. We got like 7 minutes. This is Vancouver. I think they're gonna be on time. That'll be the first fireworks show ever that's on time. So in a genius moves, the cops have blocked off the main streets, but supposedly it's because these streets down here are full, but of course everybody's just going into the alleys, and so I can't run at all, and I'm just completely stopped up. That is the sound of fireworks.
1, 2, 3, vamos a correr.
And wait for all these beautiful.
You start telling everybody to go the other way, man.
Oh no, I've got my people are this way. Trying to make it through the sea of humanity. Good Lord. So as you can see, everybody's trying to go that way, but I gotta go back this way. I'm gonna cut through this restaurant. Holy God. Hey, where are you? I need a street address. I don't know this location you're talking about. If you're walking up the block, I'm gonna be on the left-hand side. There's a big Key Dental sign. I'm at the Key Dental Clinic sign. Okay, I'll see you here. Call my sister now. Give her the same instructions. Sister's phone is dead. Here you are.
Hi.
You found us.
Where's but Chelsea?
Key Dental Clinic.
Yeah, but Chelsea was on the, she's on the beach, so she was on the other side of the barrier.
We're on a mission to find my sister, but there's a problem. There's 1,000 people in the way, it's crazy.
If you can hear my voice, you gotta walk up Davie Street.
It's been a while since the fireworks stopped, but it's ridiculous. Oh, how many people are still piling out of the beach area? Woo! Woo! Some dude just called me a fag. What a wonderful weekend for a pride parade. This is the mic.
This is the mic.
This is the mic, yeah, so we can pick up people like you and be like, hey, what did you think of the fireworks, man?
Man, blessed up. That's what
It
I call
was sweet, it was sweet.
200,000 people over here.
Blessed up.
I have to go find my sister. She's lost in all this.
she's
I
hiding
love
now.
meeting good bros.
Good luck, bro. Good
Yeah.
luck. Good luck.
See
We'll be
you.
here.
Thank you. Sorry, can I just sink through here? Thanks. Hey, what up? Finally found you. Ready to roll? Mission accomplished. It's the last train home. We are finally done, almost back to our hotel room. What a journey, what a day, what a vlog. It's really been quite the thing, hasn't it?
This train is for YDR Air.
Anyway, I'm gonna end the vlog here. See you guys tomorrow.
I thought it was Pikachu.
Everyone thinks I'm Pikachu.
They really?
This whole Pokemon Go thing is crazy.
It's just killing you, huh?
I'm just a kangaroo,
It's
man.
killing the free hug business.
Killing the kangaroo business, man.